Welcome to the future of flight. What you're about to experience is just the beginning. Introducing Antigravity A1, the world's first 360-degree drone. Ultra-lightweight, built for limitless creativity. With immersive vision goggles and the intuitive grip controller, flying doesn't feel like piloting, it feels like instinct. The sky becomes your playground. Antigravity A1 captures every angle with its dual lens system, mounted above and below, erasing the drone itself from the shot. Relive every detail in stunning 8K clarity. This isn't just about making content. With 360-degree immersion, you're not just recording the moment, you're living it. Look anywhere in any direction as if you're really there. No flying skills, no problem. Just point where you want to go. And A1 takes you there. Point up and soar. Point forward and glide. It feels natural, intuitive, effortless. Your will becomes its flight path. Safety comes standard, with payload detection that lands the drone instantly if extra weight is detected. Want to share the flight? The front screen display lets others join in the experience. Traditional drones make you chase the perfect shot. Miss it, and it's gone. But with Antigravity A1, every angle is already yours. One flight, infinite possibilities, bend reality, warp perspectives. Tell your story without limits. Your sky, your rules. This is more than a drone. This is a revolution in flight.